Hey everybody, in today's review I'm going to be reviewing a relatively inexpensive HTP auto-darkening welding helmet. I received it just like this. I have opened the box, but I have not got it out, so let's go ahead and do that. The box itself is pretty chintzy. There's really not much to it. I also ordered a pair of welding gloves and they stuck those in the box. Look to be decent quality. Let's see here. Really thick, have a nice insulation inside down from about here down. A little stiff, but it'll break in. These were $15 at today's rates, which today is December 9th, 2017. Yeah, for 15 bucks, I think it'd be alright. Nice thick leather. A little stiff, but that'll probably break in as I use them as well. Now for the big reveal here. This is their digital. Let's read the receipt here. This is called the Striker Digital in the flag pattern. It was $139 at today's prices, and excuse me, the gloves were $13.95 at today's prices, and it was free shipping for this order. It did come with a pretty nice manual here. Let's see, the model of this particular welding hood is YC-07-D1008. The instruction here, we'll get the box out of the way. Yeah, it tells you how to do the programming functions. So this welding has 1 to 13 darkening for TIG, MIG, and arc. And grinding cutting. And you can change the darkness, for example in the welding from 9 to 13, the cutting 5 to 8, and the grind mode is fixed at shade 4. You can change the sensitivity, the delay for when it comes back to light. Yeah, it looks to be a pretty decent little manual here. Shows how to replace the batteries. I can put a magnifying lens in it, it says. So yeah, cool. It also came with a one of their books for all their what they carry there at usaweld.com. That's where I ordered this. Okay, so I zoomed in here a little bit for y'all, so we get a closer look at this helmet. It has 4 sensors for the darkening, one in each, one up 2 top corners, and then one there and one there. Has a solar panel for charging the battery while you're welding. A very large screen. The helmet itself seems a little on the flimsy side, but not bad. Let's look at the, let's see here if I can do this. Okay, battery's already in it. Cut mode set at 8, grind is at 4, welds right now at 11. That's actually about right, because I'm going to be doing a little arc welding here today with some 3/32 70/18. We'll just stick with that, and then hold it to turn it off. You can take this lens mechanism out by these 2 levers, it looks like. Yeah, it comes right out. Batteries are there on the side. pretty convenient and simplistic design. I like that. So let's to disclose everything, I'm just a hobbyist welder. I do little bits here and there in the shop. I got an old, you can see in the background here, I got an old Lincoln AC 225 amp arc welder. It's an oldie. Picked up a yard sale years ago. Built a little cart for it here. Put it on wheels. Those things are heavy. So, like I said, I just do little odds and ends around the house, do repairs on whatnot. I build little trailers here and there. So let me get set up here and we will do a little test welding with it. Alright, so what we're going to do here, I got these two pieces of look to be 1/4-inch plate. Little scraps. And I'm going to clean them off. I got these pads. I picked them up online off eBay actually. They're called stripping disc. They're for removing rust and paint. And they work really good. One thing I found that if you're using the flap disc with the little sanding layers on there, they work good as well, but they wear out extremely fast and they're quite expensive. So I've been giving these a try and so far I like them. So let's try out these new gloves and the welding helmet on grind mode. And with the helmet down, I can see, let's see here. You can see just fine. I can see the camera, I can see the steel, no problem. It's actually fairly light. So let's get back down on the material here and we'll clean it up. See how well those discs remove that paint. This is some pretty old paint. So yeah, they work really, really well. So we got this piece of angle here. We're just gonna put this like that. And we're just gonna run a couple beads. I'm going to try to figure out this new rod I just picked up. It's I also picked up this off eBay. It's Forney is the brand. 3/32 7018 AC. I got AC obviously because I got an AC buzz box. So let's set the welder on about, that'd be about 75 amps, and we'll go from there. I'm going to turn that up to 90 amps. It seems a little cold to me. Try again here. Yeah, that's better. I'm just a hobbyist, so I don't have a lot of fancy welding slag tools and all that. I have a hammer. Yeah, you can tell my first start of my weld there was pretty cold, didn't weld real well. But the second section, if I can get in on it. pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with that. Alright, I'm back. I had a battery went dead on the camera there. So, pretty pleased with that. Not a lot of penetration, but we can actually set up here. Let's bump up to 105 amps. Let's try another small bead. So much fun, let's just keep on going here. Let me zoom in. We'll just do a shorty. Yeah, get a little better penetration. Let that cool a second, knock the slag off, see what she looks like. About the right temp. A little hot maybe, but it's not bad. Another feature here I really like about this helmet is it has kind of like clips. Pull it down and you can tighten those on the sides right here. And then you get right well, you just pull it down like that. And it holds itself up. It could go a touch tighter. It does come down and hits me in the chin. But for $139, I don't think you can beat it. I really don't. It darkens instantly as soon as you strike an arc. When it's not auto darkened, it's really light. I can see everything just fine and dandy. I'm going to try to set this up in front of the camera and run another bead with my other hood so you guys can kind of see what I'm seeing. Okay, well that's about as good as I can get. Got it set right on this point right in here, so I'm going to run a bead through there. These give you all a general idea on what it looks like to look through this welding hood. Get another piece of the 7018 3/32 here. We'll weld another bead. We just did. Let's knock the slag off the bird. See how it looks. Don't look too bad. That's 105 amps. That ain't bad. Good enough for the girls we go with, right? Okay, so what are my thoughts? What are my opinions on this welding helmet? I like it. Take off the old beater hood here. This is an oldie I've had for years. Fixed shade. Jackson. Time to update. I like it. It's an HTP Striker Digital. $139 and change. Free shipping. Anyway, I like it for a relatively inexpensive. They are cheaper ones, you know, on eBay and whatnot. I see them low as $30. Auto darkening helmets. Don't trust them. You know, it's we're dealing with our eyes, and I've got some arc strike blindness before, and it's miserable. You know, trying to use one of these fixed shades. You have it up, go to strike your arc, flip your hood down real fast, get you before you get your hood down. So these are the way to go. And so anyway, I want to say USA Weld, you guys did a really good job on these helmets. I'm very happy with it. I'll probably do another video here. I'm going to be building a 5x10 trailer before long. Little flatbed utility type trailer with 2-inch angle. It's going to be pretty much the whole framework of the trailer. Just a light duty one for a single ATV or utility type stuff around the house. So I'll be trying to probably making a video of that, and using some more of this rod. So far, this 40, I guess I could talk about that a little bit. I've only burned one stick, but it's, I don't know, it's, like I said, I'm not a professional welder by any stretch of the word, but, yeah, burns nice, plays a nice bead. At 105 amps, it did really nice. So, alright guys, take a minute here and tell me what you think. Would you spend $139 on a welding helmet if you were just a hobbyist, or would you buy the eBay $30 helmet? Leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up, please.